guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another 2 looks, 1 palette featuring the brand new e.l.f. Cosmetics Opposites Attract. If you guys missed my full review and swatches on this palette, also this is a dupe for a very popular palette, which if you want to find out what that is, definitely check out that video. I'll make sure to link it below in the description box, so definitely go watch that one if you missed it. So I decided to do 2 different looks with this palette, one look using the warm side and then one look using the cool side. There are 9 cool shades in this palette and also 9 warm shades. This palette retails for $14. It's cruelty free and vegan. You can get this on the e.l.f. Cosmetics website. I'll be sure to link this palette down below, as well as everything that I used in both looks. I'll be sure to list all the products and link them in the description box, so definitely check out the product list. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the 2 looks featuring this new palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Let's get into the tutorials. Alright, so for look number 1, I already applied my eyeshadow primer and set that with some powder. We're going to use the warm side of this e.l.f. palette today. I'm taking Fresh on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to use this as my transition color and really blend that really well into the crease. Next, I'm taking Sassy, and I'm going to do the exact same thing, and we're just adding more depth to the look. I'm also taking this color into the front part close up to the brow area, and then taking Cheeky on a smaller blending brush. I'm going to do the exact same thing, keeping it a little bit tighter into the crease and really blending out the front and edges of the look. Going back through with the last shade we laid down and making sure to blend again, making sure it's nice and diffused. Now I'm taking Bold on a flat shader brush. I'm going to apply this all over to the lid and slowly build this up. And once you do build up the pigmentation, it is such a beautiful shimmery shade. And then for the lower lash line, I'm using Saucy. I'm just going to pack this on with a smudger brush. And then flipping the brush over, I'm taking the shade Happy, which is just a little bit of a slightly different mustard yellow shade, and applying that to the inner half of the lower lash line, and then taking a clean blending brush and blending out the edges of that area. And then because there's not a highlight shade in this palette, on the warm side, I'm using a small flat brush and taking this shade from the Rose Gold palette from e.l.f. and highlighting the inner corner, and also pulling this through into the crease a little bit. I've been doing this recently and I really like the effect. It's just a little something different. Now I'm taking Warm. I'm just going to darken the outer corner just a little bit, just to add a little bit more depth to this warm smoky eye. I'm adding a nude pencil to my waterline, and then taking that warm shade again on a flat liner brush and just stamping this on the bottom lashes just to make my lower lashes look a little bit more full because they are very thin. To finish off the look, I added liner, mascara, and lashes. And for the lips, I'm wearing Praline from e.l.f. as well. And that is the finished look. I really love this. I think it's perfect for fall. Definitely getting that pumpkin spice vibe. Alright, so let's get started with look number 2. I already primed my eyes and set that with the same powder. And this time we're going to be using the cool side of the palette. I'm taking the shade Calm, which is a beautiful matte gray, and I'm going to lay this down into the crease and blend this out really well. And then next I'm going to take Easygoing, which is another beautiful matte shade. This purple is so pretty. I'm just adding a little bit, patting it on into the crease, and then slowly blending this out in circular motions with a fluffy blending brush. And I'm slowly building up this pigmentation to get the desired effect. As you can see, the color definitely deepens up once you layer it up. And next I'm taking Genuine on a smaller, more detailed blending brush. I'm going really deep into the crease and not blending this up too much because we're doing a cut crease with these shadows. So if it looks a little bit messy, don't worry about it. We're going to clean everything up with some concealer. Going back through with both shades, going back to the purple and then the black. It's just a matter of adding and then blending everything out. Now I'm going to take my concealer, the Born This Way concealer, apply it to the back of my hand, and then use a small concealer brush, and we're going to cut the crease I'm applying it in the center of the eyelid and then slowly working my way outward and just kind of mapping out exactly where I want the line to start and where I want it to end. So I'm just filling that in, making sure the line is as clean and crisp as possible. And then just taking my finger and kind of cleaning up the edge there. And don't worry, we will clean this up towards the end as well. So now that I did both eyes, I'm going to take the shade Clever on a flat brush and pat this all over the concealer where we just laid it down. And making sure to really build this color up because I want it to be really intense and I want that shimmer to pop. I'm using a little Q-tip to clean up any mistakes that I've made, to remove the shadow first. And then now I'm going to go in with concealer and clean it up even more. I want this to be a nice sharp edge. I'm just blending that into the skin with a concealer brush. And that's about it. So now I'm going in with Genuine once again on a very detailed angled brush. And I'm just darkening up any areas I feel I want a little bit darker just to really make that cut crease pop. I'm going to line my waterline with a purple eyeliner. And then for the lower lash line, I wanted to use this color called Wise. It's a beautiful cool toned forest green. I'm just patting this on and then I'm going to blend it with a small smudger brush. I love this combination with the purple and the green. And then for the inner corner, I'm taking Low Key on a very tiny brush, and this color is beautiful because it does have sort of a pink shift to it. And once again, I added some lashes and mascara, and for the lips I'm wearing Tea Rose from e.l.f. and also a plumping lip gloss from e.l.f. So that completes look number 2. You can find all the products listed in the description box, and I love how this look turned out. Very cool toned cut crease. Alright guys, so that is the 2 looks featuring the new Opposites Attract palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I am really loving this palette. I can't wait to play with it and use it like crazy. I love how this cool toned look turned out. I don't know if I could pick a favorite, but leave a comment down below and tell me which of the 2 looks is your favorite. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. And of course, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would hate for you to miss out on videos every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sunday. Hope you guys have a really awesome day. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye guys.